a minute, Dad. Is it ever broke? Pull you over. See, for me. Se van a poner aquí para la foto. No se la tomo y ahorita ya quiero. What you...
Home is awakening to the most beautiful time of year. Taking the sights as the vibrant florals frame London in full bloom. Meanwhile, wildlife roams the royal parks from St James's swans to Richmond Park's red deer. Great Sir Christopher Wren. St Paul's was first constructed in 604 AD and has been rebuilt 5 times before blooming in... And it's our turn. We have reached the top. Look at this panoramic 360-degree view of the city in full bloom. 135 metres above the glistening arches of St. Look at all these. Towards the building, lovely nickname the Railway. The skyscraper bursting upwards and outwards, where the new skyline greets the old. Brightest of gold. That's winged picture. A memorial to Queen Victoria outside Buckingham.
Yeah, but we've got to remember which one's mine. I'll go to bigger one. Easy, ain't it? From the second one and first. We died in the second one. Could make that in play. Oh, I got the bottom one. Look at all these ones. I don't know. Hey, what the 69? What, that's the Big Ben? What the hell? Oh no, Dad, look.
Oh, just did a stupid smile.
What?
Is that the one? No.
You love that.
Do you not love it?
I definitely want the picnic one as well, Belle. Frozen. You ain't got me this yet, have you? No. Try that. Then I would look at it. Oh, I've just had a fitness thing. What, 10,000 steps? Right, Mama, are you having a fitness thing, Mama? Dad, do you know what this is?